Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek Datta and today's topic will be the types of computers. So I'm on my room now today and it's pretty dumb. My table is too much dumb out here. Okay, too much dumb. And so yeah, let's get straight on the topic. Shall we start? Yes, I can start. So today's topic will be types of computers. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, dfAHT. And today I'm gonna be discussing about the types of computers as I
told you before, right?
So I'm gonna be discussing about the types of computers. So let's get started with all those. So computers are really important nowadays, but do we really know about the types of computers? Well, how many types of computers do you know about?
Oh no!
Okay, I know. It might be your laptop, desktop, and your smartphone that I'm recording now. No, it's not. It's a totally whole different. If it's good if you figured out that what are the types of computers. If you didn't, then you must know what they are. So basically today I'm gonna divide the types of computers into two groups, and even these two groups have subdivisions on their own. So the first group will be on purpose-wise. So according to purpose-wise, the group 1 will be there, and the second group will be according to operation-wise. So according to purpose-wise, so there are two types of computers, two divisions of computers in the group of purpose-wise. So purpose-wise, the first one is the special purpose computer. So what are they? They are basically made for specific purposes, like scientific research, or they are being used in our homes, but really for a specific purpose. For example, the weighing machine in our shops. Yes, I know it's like it's not true. This you might think that this is not really true, but yeah, the weighing machine that we use to weigh things, that's even a computer, because the word computer means to calculate, right? Compute, the word means compute, which is to calculate. And even the thermometer that we use, the clinical thermometer, remember that? That's even a computer, because it calculates your temperature, blah blah blah. So it's a computer. So even your wristwatch that we wear, this one, I'm showing you this one. This is also a computer, but it's a analog computer. So I'm not gonna be confusing you, but it's a special purpose computer. So you can play games on these, but just for a specific purpose, these are been made. So on to the next. There is general purpose computer. So what are general purpose computer? The name only suggests that these are been made for general purpose, right? Yes, they are made for general purpose for the people, and even these computers are being used in business right now. So for example, you can say the smartphone, you can say laptops, PDAs, which is the personal digital assistants, and the other things even. So these are the two divisions of purpose-wise. So next, onto the next group. Onto the next group is the operation-wise. So according to operation-wise, there are three divisions. That is analog computers, and next is the digital, and the last one, but not least, is the hybrid computer. So the hybrid computer is the most advanced, and I can say most faster, because this hybrid computers have been made, by combining digital and the analog, and by combining them, it is the hybrid computer. And you can say that hybrid computers have been made with the best qualities of digital and analog computers. So we must know what are digital and what are analog computers. So first one is the analog. So the word only suggests that what analog is. So analog is something that represents the use of continuous physical data or physical quantity like the current, temperature, and voltage, right? So they use continuous physical data or quantity. So they are very inaccurate than digital computers, and also very slower. For example, I told you, the thermometer that I told you, and also the weighing machine and the clock that we use, but not this one. Okay, not the digital computer one, and then I'm sorry, the digital watch, because the digital watch is a hybrid computer. So both the features of analog computer and the digital computers have been combined, and the digital watch has been made. Moving on to the next is the digital computers. So what are digital computers? So digital computers are those computers that works on discontinuous data that is converted into binary, which is zeros and ones. So digital computers really understand binary language, which deals with zeros and ones. So I'll be making another video to how to convert a decimal number into binary, but for that you must watch this video first. So okay, this is for later purpose, but now so digital computers are those computers that works on discontinuous data, right? Yes, and these are very faster than these analog computers, and also accurate. For example, I told you these are these are many of them. These are the your laptop, PCs, blah blah blah, many more. And the last one, but I told you that hybrid computers. So what are hybrid computers really? I told you that these are the combinations. So the best qualities of analog computer and the best qualities of digital computers have been combined into the hybrid computer. So they are really good, and they are faster, accurate, and good. And these are been used in hospitals, many more places like scientific research, and also for weather forecasting, right? So on to the next is the types of digital computers. So actually today I'm gonna discuss about the digital computers, because digital computers have so much of divisions, and even this niche, even a niche, so it must be mentionable. The types of digital computers are embedded computers, microcomputers, mini computers, mainframe computers, and the last one is the supercomputers. So supercomputers are really like supercomputer. So supercomputers are really good, but even more intelligent computers have been made. Okay, the quantum computer. If you didn't heard, you can check it out. About quantum computers. Okay, if you want me to tell about more quantum computers, tell me in the comment section below that what type of video you want, and also don't forget to like this video. So if you want me to make a video on quantum computers and what are quantum computers, then comment down in the comment section below. Yeah, so I was in the types of digital computers, right? So what are embedded computers? So embedded computers are those computers in which the chip, okay, I don't have any chip on my table, but yes, so a silicon chip has been embedded into the circuitry of appliances, right? So the little chip has been, implemented on the circuit, just has to work, and this chip has been programmed for that specific purpose. Even that is also a specific purpose computer. So embedded computers, the examples of embedded computers are your washing machine, television set, etc., etc., because they only have a chip and the whole work is done by that chip, because that chip has the main program and it works on that chip. On to the next is microcomputers, or you can say the PCs that we use, personal computers that we use. So PCs are of many types. I'm not going to be explaining about PCs because you all know about PCs, what are they. But I'm going to tell you that PCs are really powerful computers. Even you can calculate many things on that. You don't know the power of microcomputer, but it has so much of power that even it can do millions of calculations, man. You know, the cell phone that you are working on has the capacity to calculate for 11 million Apollo mission simultaneously. So think about your smartphone. Okay, it has so much of power. Think about it. Okay, microcomputers are so powerful. So what are mini computers? I didn't got so much of information about mini computers, but I know that mini computers are much more way faster than the computers which we use in our general homes. And also I forgot to mention about workstations. So it's also a type of microcomputer which we use, which we don't use generally in our homes. It is used by engineers or scientists, yes, and these are being used. So workstations are, multiple user, multitasking PCs, right? So these are multitasking and also multi-user. So not to use them because we don't need so much of multi-user, multifunctional computers in our homes. So now on to the next is I told you that mini computers, which are even more faster, even more accurate, and these are been used for scientific purpose. So moving on to the next is the mainframe computers, which are even more powerful. Okay, more powerful. You can search it on the net, or I'll be making another video on mainframe computers. But for today, this video is getting so long, so I couldn't cover it much in this video. So these are more powerful than the mini computers. You can see the pictures I'll be showing. And here, so this is the mini computer and this is the mainframe computer, and the last but not least is the supercomputer. So these are computers which have even more powerful, than we think. Yes, it's so much powerful than we think. So these are the divisions of digital computers. This is it for today, and I hope that this video made sense to you. And I think that you got to learn that what are the types of computers. If you didn't understand what are the types of computers, ask me in the comment section below, man. I'm always there. So ask me in the comment section below. And also, if you're new to this channel, subscribe to this channel, and also click the bell icon so that you get notification whenever I upload a new video, because I'm gonna bring these type of videos on computer science and also gaming, tech, and more, much more. So see you next time. Bye.